Hello, welcome to this class on adjectives with regard to degrees of comparison. Already you have learned what are adjectives. Let us recall. Adjectives describe or give informations or talk about the qualities of noun or pronoun. Simply say adjectives qualify the noun. Okay. So adjective talk about the quality of the noun. Now when this quality is talked or expressed, there are levels. You see in the class you have got students who score 50 and above. They are good in studies. There are students who are scoring above 60, 70, 80. If you say they are also good in studies, it's true, but comparing to those students who are scoring 50, 60, the students who are scoring 60, 70, 80, they are little more good, which in short you can say they are better in studies. And there are students who score 90, 99 or 100. You could also say them they are good or better when you compare with others. So they are the best. So there are levels. So good, better, best. One example of comparison. Now this word good is the basic quality, the base expression. Okay. So this is known as positive degree, the base, the initial, the first level in expressing a quality, good. And when you compare, this comparison makes things little different. So if there are no others to compare, see everybody is scoring only 60 marks, whom to compare with? When there are some more students who are scoring better marks, then you be good to compare. So that's a better. So this comparative degree is always done between the two, maybe two individuals or two groups. Say class 9 is better than class 10. So comparison. So comparison between two individuals, two groups, whatever it is. So that second part is comparative. First one is positive degree, the simple expression of the quality, the first expression, the first stage. Okay. Second one is better, comparing with the other one. Okay. Then when it comes to the topmost level, the best we say, of all the others, the good students, the better students, of all of them, the best, that is superlative, the extreme level. Okay, so there are levels in expressing quality in using the adjective. So this is in a simple way adjective with regard to degrees of comparison. So I think this explanation is enough. Now I shall fill up the blanks in think exercise. Okay, using this degree of comparison. So take page number 37, your chapter 6. Start with the think exercise. See, there are two pictures. One is elephant, another is bear. The bear is smaller, the elephant is bigger, say larger in size. So the quality base or positive degree is equal to large. So using these two animals, we'll make a sentence. Okay. So elephant is what? Larger than the bear in size. Okay. The second one picture is of a sun and there are another picture of stars. So what is the comparison? When you compare, what you can write? The quality is even big. Okay. Sun is a bigger star, or sun is bigger than other stars. Scientists say there are stars bigger than sun also. There are stars smaller than sun. So when you compare with the stars, smaller ones, you say sun is big or bigger. Okay. So sun is a bigger. Sun is bigger than other stars or some of the stars. So finally let me say sun is bigger than some of the stars. Okay. Now third fill up. There is a picture of computer and human beings. Okay. So human beings are more intelligent than computers. Computer is man-made, so the man who made it must be more intelligent. Okay. So now here you will see the first two we are just using large, larger, big, bigger. But the last one we are using more intelligent, not intelligenter. So there are different ways of expressing this level. There are so many forms of expression that is given in the next page. Let's go through them. Okay. So there are about 7 types of expressions of this degree of comparison. In the first set on the top, page number 38, you see in the first box 3 words are given positive degree. So when it comes to comparative degree, just you add ER. Okay. When it comes to superlative, just add EST. So adding ER and EST is the first set of expression, okay, in this degree of comparison. The second set, just just add R. There is already E in the end of the words given there. Brave, fine, large. Just add R. Similarly, add ST. Okay, first one EST, here ST. And the first one for compared to ER, here only R. So small difference. So this one set of degrees of comparison. The words used in degrees of comparison. Now third set with the positive degree words, just add one more letter of the last word like dim, double M, then ER. So same as the top one ER, EST is added, but only the last word is written twice. So double M, double hot, double M, thinner, hotter, dimmer, same way EST also is added. The fourth set is just remove the Y and add IER and IEST. Okay, clear? Just if you observe, you will understand. The fifth set is maintain the word as it is and add ER and EST. Okay. It's more like the first set of word. Okay. Now we'll go to sixth one. Here the word more and most is used. For comparative, more. For superlative, most. So the base word is kept as it is without any change, without any addition. But prior to the word, for comparative you add more, for superlative you add most. Okay. The last set, the whole word is changing. There is a different word used. Okay. So bad, worst, good, better, best, far, further, furthest. So there are words like this used in the degree of comparison. Now using these patterns or forms of expression, you just try the exercise in A, the page number 39. Just try to write in the book itself, we'll correct when we come to the class. So that goes till page 40. Now on the page 40 you got something new to learn, the box there. You see there are totally different words used. Junior, senior. He is junior to me, but smaller. He is senior to me. Okay. So there is a top level and double level. In degrees of comparison, you can also go above and you can go also the reverse side. Okay. So senior is above level and junior is below. Well, the example, Sanjana is junior to Priyanka. Okay. So the top level. And the down, reverse level, Ashish is senior to me. Here in the sentence, junior than me, no. Junior to. Okay. Not like Sanjana is junior than Priyanka, no. We don't use the word than. Mostly in comparative degree, after the call adjective word, use than. And superlative, before the adjective, you use the. It's the most beautiful, the brightest. Okay. So these are also some of the signs how you can find whether it's on comparative degree or superlative degree. In positive or base degree, you just say she is beautiful, nothing, no the, no then. Okay. So it's a simple way you identify the degree of comparison. Similarly, when you use inferior and superior, inferior to me, superior to me, okay, the word to is hard. So with that, we'll try to do the exercise B with the example given there in your homework notebook. That is a homework for you to write in the notebook. The last exercise I shall do it for you. You can copy it in your book. Listen to the audio. Now using all this theory of degree of comparison with regard to adjective and the forms of expression, we shall do this exercise. First one is given already. Virat is the fastest runner in the class. So the fastest, superlative. The is there, you see. Then est is there. Fast is the base word. Est is added. Fastest. Now next sentence. Rohini is a gooder artist than the students of her batch. You see, good, better, best is the 3 stages. You can't say gooder, so remove that. Okay, a gooder artist is wrong. Then the students means all the students of her batch. So a superlative should be used there. Rohini is the best artist among the students of her batch. So in her batch, she is the best artist. Okay. So I repeat again, Rohini is the best artist of the students of her class or among the students of her class. Now third one, Howrah Bridge is a busier bridge. No. Busiest bridge, because there are so many bridges in Calcutta. Among them, Howrah Bridge is the busiest, the most busy. Okay. So Howrah Bridge is the busiest bridge. Okay. Fourth one, the cheetah is the most fastest of all land animals. So you remove more faster than. More faster than lion, deer, you can say, when it's compared with one animal or one group of animal. But when it comes to all land animals, is the fastest. So you write the cheetah is the most fastest of all land animals. Fifth one, China is the most populated country of the world. So the highest, the extreme populated country. So you should use superlative. China is the most populated country of the world. Then sixth one, Adiba is the tallest girl in the class. In the class, there are so many tall people. Among them, she is the tallest. So here you find all Phillips are using the superlative degree. Okay. So you can complete them. The group work we will do when we come as a group. Okay. Thank you. All the best.